Welcome to the top stock research video. Introducing TSR Intelli Search, Ctrl K. Powerful and context-sensitive search. Access to desired functionality without mouse. Let's start from the top stock research homepage. Press Ctrl+ K to open Intelli Search. Now, search for a stock, for example, Tata Steel. Scroll down slightly to find the Tata Steel stock. To explore detailed fundamentals, click on the stock. This will open the Tata Steel Fundamental Deep Dive section. To search for screeners, press Ctrl K. In the search pop-up, select the screeners option. For example, if you are looking for EM-based screeners, type EMA. You will see a list of all EMA screeners. From the list, select the screener you need. If you want to add another filter to this strategy, select Ctrl K. In the search pop-up, select the Add Filter option. For example, you can add the Super Trend indicator. To view stock charts, open the search pop-up and select the Charts option. For example, search for the Reliance Industries chart. Here, you can view Reliance Industries. Open the chart in the daily time frame. The chart is now displayed. You can also add technical indicators to the chart. Press Ctrl K, then choose the Technical Indicators option. Select and add the RSI indicator. You can also compare this stock with another stock or an index. Press Ctrl K to open the search pop-up. Select the Compare option. For example, choose the Nifty index. Click on the tile view. In any case of queries, please click on Request for Demo link. We hope you found this session useful, and if so, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. We will bring another interesting video very soon. Till then, goodbye.